home after a long day taking care of chores, and I wanted to share with you what this beautiful sundog has turned into as the sun is going down. Look at the beautiful arcs on each side of the sun as it's just about ready to kiss the horizon. We have snow blowing across the road still, not as bad as it was earlier, but I'm just going to wait for the sun to kiss the horizon and just take a video of this beautiful sundog. Hopefully nobody will turn down this intersection. I'm blocking the road to get this shot. Look at the spike on the top of the sun, how the sun is picking up the crystals that are in the air. Isn't that gorgeous? Just waiting for the sun to kiss the earth. Now the arc to the left is starting to dissipate a little bit. The arc to the right is starting to dissipate a little bit. But look at the spike on that sun. The sky is turning hues of pink and purple. It's just a big ball of flame, isn't it? So the arc, the beautiful rainbow arc, where's my camera? On this side, it's almost gone. And then on this side, it's almost gone. The lower the sun goes, the less of a sundog we'll have. But man, look at the spike on that sun. The lower the sun goes, the more it's encountering the blowing snow. I don't know if I'm going to be able to see right when it kisses the earth. I think that's about as good as we're going to get. But look at the snow blowing across the road. It's not as bad as it was earlier. But you know what I love about it? It reminds me, let me get a little bit closer up here. It reminds me of the mist from dry ice. This is a bouncy road. I'm stuck in an 18-wheeler rut. They create ruts in the gravel roads. So I'm a little bit stuck in a rut. But look right there. Look how it looks like. It just looks like the mist from dry ice. So pretty. You know, you have to stop and see the beauty in everything. Yes, it's bitterly cold out. Yes, it's windy. Yes, I almost froze my fingers off earlier. But the wind and the snow and the sun, the refraction of light that makes the sundog. It's also beautiful. Ooh, there was a snow bump. All right, guys, I'm going to try to make it the rest of the way home without any problems. But I wanted to share the beauty with you. And look, that sun is still creating that big, beautiful spear of color up into the sky. It is amazing.